Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the surface dew light of a Nissan NV. It's a 2011 model, and when you turn the ignition on, the surface light keeps up blinking over here. And I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, the Service Reset My Car. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm going to show it twice, so you don't have to rewind the video. You can keep looking at the video. I'm going to do it twice for you to get rid of the surface dew sign on a Nissan NV 2011. Okay, first of all, turn the ignition off. Turn back on the ignition to the second position. There are two buttons over here, this button and that button. We're going to use the left side. Press it, and once you press it, the menu changes over there. Press it till you find the settings menu. Once you are here, the settings, you can scroll down by turning this to the right, as you can see. Go to detail, press it once again. And as you can see, another menu appears over here. Scroll down to maintenance. Once you're there, press it. Go to server or surface. Press it. Go to reset. Press it again. And once you have done that, turn the ignition off. Turn back on the ignition. And as you can see, before we had the surface dew light over here. And it has disappeared. So once again, press this button till you get the settings area. Scroll down to detail, press it, go to maintenance, press it, go to surface, press it, go to reset, press it, and once you've done that, the surface has been reset of the Nissan NV200. I hope this helped for you. It sure did help me to get rid of the sign. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Bye bye.